Are you and me? What? Me head big?
Come to me, to me, to me, to me now. Come to me. You say you want to cut off ears, sir?
Look here too low. Keep it right. There you go.
So what we eat right now?
It is
You
like
record?
Stop it.
Yeah. You go to gym today?
Huh?
You go to gym today?
What?
Did you go to gym today?
If we go to gym today?
I like your lips.
We are read your lips.
Stop reading my lips.
Huh?
Stop reading my
You
lips.
saying that my lips?
You start reading my lips.
Huh?
Start reading my lips.
What?
Stop reading my lips.
Stop reading your lips.
Yeah,
we know
hear
your
me?
lips. We know your lips so much. That's why.
Yeah, hear me?
Huh?
Yeah, hear me?
No, but me can read your lips.
Stop. You supposed to read my lips? You're not supposed to read my lips. I don't think you're supposed to.
Huh? Why pre? Huh? Go on again. You and me? Huh? Are you and me? What? Me head big?
Come to me, to me, to me, to me now. Come to me. Wait. Me don't like that song here.
Oi, you loud.
Me don't like that song here. Wait, me find one song. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Me don't like that one here now. Alright, come now, come. Eh?
You loud.
Huh?
You loud. You're
You
loud.
idiot, you know?
You're loud.
Eh?
You're loud.
Me I hear you.
You hear me say?
Yeah, me I hear you.
You're loud.
Yes, I'm loud. Me hear you. Come again.
Oh God.
Huh?
Oh God.
What?
Yeah, hear me, man.
Yeah, man, me I hear you.
Cool. Let me hear you something I play. Hold your hand. Put it. Press it over your ear.
You can't turn it over. Turn it over.
The best way.
Yes or no? Huh?
You're pretty.
Huh?
You're pretty.
We're pretty now. What I say?
Alright.
I want this fire mode.
Salad crumbs.
Hey.
How was gym today? How was gym today?
Huh?
How was gym today?
Huh?
How was gym today?
Huh?
How was gym today?
You have what, Jimmy? What?
How was gym today? How was gym today?
How was gym today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Go, one more.
One more?
One more.
Mhm.
Hold it out. The shirt is pink.
Huh?
The shirt is pink. The shirt is pink.
Yeah?
The shirt is pink.
You wash it? What?
Your shirt is pink.
Huh?
Your shirt is pink.
What?
Your shirt is pink. Your shirt is pink. Your shirt is Your shirt is pink. Song done.
It's song done.
Song done. Play one different song. Song sad. No song. Which song I play? Alright,
Alright, come down, come. Ready for you.
your shirt is pink. Your shirt is pink.
Huh?
Your shirt is pink.
Pink!
Your shirt
Pink.
Your shirt is pink. Your shirt is pink.
Oh, my shirt pink! Oh.
Your tongue say I love you. Huh? I love you. And you say, what? Island Grill? Go on again.
Alright, one more time. One more time.
I leave you.
Island view.
Island View.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh? You ready? You like me what? Yeah? Me who? Phone?
Yes. You're here. You're here.
Eh?
You're here.
No.
No.
Me just good at reading your lips.
Stop reading lips.
Huh? What you say?
I don't know what else to say.
Yeah.
But I don't know what else to say.
You stop?
No. What the hell?
Face it out.
No.
I got a shop.
Who you get them right? That's no fear.
You read your lips.
Stop reading my lips.
Good. Good.
Which part we have on Monday?
Huh?
Which part we have on Monday? Monday holiday. Which part we have on Monday?
Put what?
Monday holiday. Which part we have on?
Which part you go put what?
Monday holiday. Which part we have on?
If you're pregnant.
Me say.
Uh-huh.
Monday holiday. Which part we have on?
What again?
Monday holiday. Which part we have on?
Huh?
Monday holiday. Which part we have on? Where you taking me on Monday? To
Your
holiday?
tongue I go too fast. What you say?
Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
What we do last night?
No. Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
Huh?
Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
One more time.
Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
Something more chocolate.
Oh. Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
Go on again.
Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
What we going to do for the holiday?
Not quite, but alright. Where you taking me on Monday? It's a holiday.
Oh! So the hell chocolate come here?
Do I
That's
want
nice.
to we are the last time?
There you go.
Right. Y'all go work tonight?
What?
Y'all work tonight?
Wait, this song done. Oh boy. Alright, go on.
Y'all work tonight?
Yeah?
Y'all work tonight? Y'all going to work tonight? You're going to work tonight?
Yeah, me I work tonight.
Oh my gosh. You go look for mama?
Yeah?
You look for mama?
Let me love mama.
No. You look for mama?
Eh?
You look for mama?
You go look for mama.
Oh, you're so good at it. This is not fair. You're too
They
good
read
at
the
it.
lips.
Stop. Read me lips.
But me have to look for you.
Yeah, but yeah, hear me.
Eh?
Yeah, hear me.
No, but me I read the expression.
Oh, okay.
I am good at
Your
that.
teeth them pretty though.
Eh?
Your teeth them pretty though.
Eh?
Your teeth them pretty though.
What?
Your teeth them pretty though.
What?
Your teeth them pretty though.
Start with me, blush.
Ooh. Your teeth them pretty though.
Go ahead, say.
Your teeth them pretty though.
Me teeth them pretty though.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Like somebody say Tanto blacks and a white teeth they white, a black in black.
Okay. That is a bit toned down.
Eh?
That is you talk too loud.
Me loud?
That is you talk too loud. So you have smoky eyes.
Eh?
You have smoky eyes though.
Eh?
Your eyes are smoky though, my friend. Your eyes are smoky though, my friend.
What?
Your eyes are like them smoky, my friend. Your eyes are smoky, my friend. Your eyes are smoky. Your eyes are smoky. Your eyes are smoky, my friend. Your eyes are smoky.
Say me handsome.
No! No! Your eyes are smoky, my friend.
Yeah?
Your eyes are smoky. You say your eyes are smoky.
Take that.
Take time. Your
Say it slower.
Your eyes are smoky.
Huh?
Your eyes are smoky. Eyes are smoky.
Who?
Your eyes are smoky.
Oh!
Oh.
As I'm smoky.
Yeah.
Alright, your turn, come. Yeah. Alright. You have space teeth. You have space teeth.
If me have face. What is it?
No, babes, no.
Huh?
You have space teeth.
That's space teeth?
Yeah, you have space teeth. The people they must have said we're crazy.
Yeah, most says.
People they must have said we're crazy.
Most says.
Eh?
The people they must have said we're crazy.
Come again.
People they must have said we're crazy.
If people that think we're crazy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh gosh. Hey,
One more.
press it down. This one go hard. Press it down. Wait, hold it down. Alright, you have bright eyes. You have bright eyes. You have bright eyes.
You been pregnant?
No? Hey, you wanna know that? You have bright eyes.
What?
You have bright eyes.
It's like a nice story though.
Hello, what's that?
What is it?
You have bright eyes.
Don't be here. You have red eyes.
That don't play. That one did not play.